Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. So today's video, we are going to be doing mini twists. I don't know, but I feel like they are going to be a little chunkier than mini twists. And we are going to be using these extensions from QVR. So they actually sent 5 packs of this. That's the brand QVR. You can see. And you guys, I'm already in love with the color combination. This is it. Let me quickly open this up and show you guys what the hair looks like. Look at the colors, guys. Look at the colors. Look at the colors of this extension. It's beautiful. So it's in color 32, color 16, and color 613. You guys, so I'm done blow drying my hair. So let me quickly start parting. Okay, you guys, so there are different ways or methods you can use when adding extensions to your natural hair. Okay, so I'm going to be showing different methods at certain points in the video. So this is like the first method you can use to add extensions to your hair. So you can try any of these methods. I think I have about 3 different methods in this video. So you can use any of these methods depending on the one you are comfortable with. Okay, so this is the first one. At a point, you guys will see a different method. And also when I get to the front, you also see a different method. Okay. Okay. I'm absolutely in love with it. I hope you guys do too. Okay, my love. So if you've been able to watch up to this point and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Okay, please hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the post notifications bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Peace.